guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna start with a little drama. I terribly f***ed up, and when I left my hotel I came to the border with Kazakhstan, and I realized that I actually forgot you guys, my GoPro, in the hotel. So I am insanely late right now. I need to cross the entire border, but if everything goes good in today's video, we're gonna do in 12 hours. We're gonna be in 4 countries. Now we are in Kyrgyzstan. We're about to cross the border to Almaty because my flight is departing from there. Then if we make it, we would have to take a layover in the Emirates somewhere. I don't remember the name of the city. That's how organized I am sometimes. To then finally arrive in Faisalabad in Pakistan. 4 countries in 12 hours. A lot of stress because my flight is in 5 hours and a half, and I am 3 hours and a half away from the airport. I have no internet once I cross the border, so I have no way to reorganize. So the only tool that I can do right now is just to exchange as much money as I can in Kazakh's money, I guess. And whenever we cross the border, just throw the money to someone so they can take us to the airport. Oh, crossing fingers, crossing fingers. This really helps with the stress. Boom. Alright, first task done. Let's cross the border. Oh, you got this. Yo, Kazakhstan.
Okay, Kazakhstan.
Salam alaikum. Made it. I paid just a little bit more, 8,000 tenge, just to go directly to the airport. So I think we're gonna make it. Wow, that's a stressful day. Alright, made it to the airport. We are 1 hour and 55 minutes away from my flight. We need to do the check-in. I have no idea about anything about this airport, and I'm a little bit frustrated because the guy tried to charge me more money when we were arriving. He said like, no, you need to pay me 10,000. Absolutely not. He said 8,000, 8,000 it is. But alright, I think I'm gonna be able to talk properly once I make the check-in for the flight and I can relax a little bit. Oh man, what a day, guys. So the situation has turned out to be a little bit easier when I arrived to the airport. Check-in was easy, coming in was easy. Now we are gonna board to go to the 3rd country. Shut up. Give me 1 second. Whoa. Oh my god, the situation this morning was very stressful. I woke up when I got the taxi halfway through because it was very busy in the city and I was a little bit late. The guy told me like he had another job, if he could drop me somewhere, and he just ordered for another taxi, so he gave me a little bit of the ride for free. He ordered another taxi. I had 10% battery. I couldn't check on the taxi. The taxi came, and when I was gonna film about the whole situation, I realized that I had no camera on me because I left it on the hotel. So I told him I would pay him more, just drop me in the hotel 1 second, grab all the stuff, and just take me to the border. Border control today was quite quick compared to the other times that I crossed the border with Kazakhstan. There was almost anyone. So it took me basically 5 to 10 minutes to just cross the border, get the stamps on the passport, and move on. Taxi was on the entrance. I paid a little bit more to come to the airport directly, but the guy tried to charge me a little bit more. Almaty was so crowded today, guys, so crowded. I arrived at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so imagine the stress when I was thinking like, oh please, the airport, don't be difficult. But the same thing happened with the entrance. I just came in quite quickly. I just checked in the luggage, everything went smooth. So I even had time to sit down, have a coffee, have some food, and work a little bit on the videos. Now I am waiting to board on the plane to go to Shut Up, to enter on the country number 3.
Left the big city for the simple country life. Found myself a woman.
Okay, you know, we are 45 minutes late and I have a layover of 1 hour and a half. So let's see what's up, guys. Don't be here. Just leave one empty. Just, you know, it's good. Just leave one empty. Finally good news.
She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me. I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star.
I think that I deserve a break, so I am going to work for 3-4 hours very relaxed.
It is hard. running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star.
My flight is in 25 minutes. Well, my flight is in 10 minutes, guys. Wow.
Leave one ain't nothing but a thing to me. Burn right through 'em like a cigarette. Oh.
Such a stress, my lord. Listen, there is not much more that we can do. So we're gonna try to deal with the stress with a positive smile and an attitude.
Maybe I just can't. I ain't no I'm kind of leaving me. She kissed me once.
Here comes the sun. Oh, I completely forgot. Country number 3. Ooh. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Wait, what? Huh. It's 1 hour earlier than what I thought, so I'm good. Again.
Believe me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star.
1 gate away. Oh my gosh, so nervous right now.
Lord, I'm a honky-tonk star.
Man, my gosh. Quick explanation about how everything developed. When I arrived at the airport, I had to go through multiple security checks, multiple of them. Every time that someone saw me walking, they asked me for the passport, they asked me for all the information to know where I was going or what I was doing. I arrived around 1:30 a.m. and the lady told me, if you don't have anyone waiting for you, I don't know if you're gonna be able to travel properly. I waited in the front door in the airport in Faisalabad, and the taxis tried to tell me that I had to pay around 12,000. Oh, I don't even know the currency here yet. But basically, the translation to dollars is around $55 to go to Lahore from the Faisalabad airport, which was around 3 hours drive. I made a small research about the prices more or less, so I told them that I had no rush, that I could wait until 6 in the morning, go to the bus station and just get a bus to Lahore and then come here to the hotel. So eventually at 3 a.m. someone just came to me and told me like, hey, listen, there's a car who just came from Lahore and they have to come back in any case, so like they can charge you 5,000 brackets Pakistani currency, which I still don't know. Close brackets is around $25, a little bit less, 24, and it would take me directly to the hotel. Okay, that sounds actually fair. So
I know you special, girl, 'cause I know too many.
country number 4. Quite a ride, guys. I am exhausted. I have done almost 24 hours traveling. I've been already in 4 countries and I have to wait 5 hours until my room is ready to get in. So I'm having some tea that they kindly offer on the reception. At least one only thing that I can tell so far from Pakistan is the hospitality that I have received has been fantastic. So we're gonna leave the video here. Meanwhile, I wait for my marvelous bed to be ready when someone leaves the room. If you are very curious about this country, which everyone talks wonders always about Pakistan, follow the news here by subscribing to the channel, and I will see you tomorrow, guys.